I'm Caroline. I'm here to help you feel your best. Sharing with you all my healthy recipes.
Gonna make a green smoothie.
Teaching you workouts that make you fit, toned, happy. Using your own body weight. Let's do it all with a big smile. Come on guys, let's go. Squat down and kick to the side. Down, up, low, high, quick, 15 minutes. Yep. Getting a little sweat going here. And out, and down, and kick, and low. Give me a big smile. This was a bit of a struggle here to set up. And it is raining again now. And out, and low, and kick. Or 5 more. Left, down, right, down, 4. Yep. We have 3. So good. 2 more. Up, low. Yep. 1 more. Side, down, side. Stay here. Kicking out. Come on the left. Up. Keeping your stomach strong and tight. Out. Come on guys, you need to push hard for me today. Whoo. Yep. And out. For 10, focus your eyes in one spot. So you're strong, stable and still here. And out. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. We switch. Out, out. Yep. Come on. Core strong and tight. Up, up. So good. Out. Yep, I'm glad we got to do it. Whew. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Now touch the floor. Down and we switch. Come on. Left, right, left, right, low. Yep. So good. Side to side. For 10. Give me a smile. For 9. 8. Yep. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. We have 1 more and standing crunches. In, back, yep. Come on. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. We switch. Other side. Up. The perfect little quick and efficient workout to unwind from a busy day, to boost your lunch break, or to start the day right. Come on, high. Whew. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Stay here. We squat and kick with our hands up. Yep. Down, down, punch. Come on, left, down, switch. So good. Yep. Come on, breathing out with every punch. Left, right, left. Yep. 10, 9 more. 8, 7, for 6, left, down, and switch. Any stresses, any negative energy running through your body, time to punch it away. Yep. 4, 2, and 1. More now. Down, up, down, up. Come on. Low, high, low, down, down, all the way. So good. Down, up, down, up. Yep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2. You have 1 more. Stay down here. To the left, to the middle, to the right. I know this burns. It's a fat burning workout. That's what you're here for. That's what you're gonna get. Come on, stay low. Left, middle, right, middle, left. Yep. So good. Right and left. For 3, for 2, and 1 more, and shake it all off. Legs are wide open. Side squats on the left in 3, into, down and high, low and up, only on the left. So good. 10, 9, 8, 7, time is flying by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. We switch. Right side down. Yep, all the way low. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep pushing, guys. 2, 1 more. Toes are pointing to the outside. Sumo squats in 3, into, down, down, up, low, low, high. Yup. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Little pulse and back. Little pulse and back. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have 1 more. Stay here. Left to right. Come on. Left, right. Speeding it up. Switching over side to side. So good. For 10, stay low. Legs are burning. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and come in your downward facing dog. Stretch it out side to side. Your left knee kicking in and up high. Come on. In, up. Knee to chest, back up high. Knee to chest. It is so good to get upside down on your mat for 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and we switch right knee in, kicking up all the way. Focus on deep breathing. Time to check in with yourself. How are you feeling? Whatever you need today, go and get it. And up and high for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, 2, 1 more. Stay here. Slow mountain climbers. In. Yep. Side to side. Left, right, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Stay here. Touch your left toe back in your high plank. We switch. In, down, touch your toe, back to your high plank, touch, and in, touch, and in. So good. For 10, yep, 9, 8, 7 more. Don't think about anything else. Just be here right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, 1 more. Your left foot comes front, you come up high, we go, down, up. Whew. Keep your balance, focus your eyes on one spot. In 3, in 2, come on, down and up, down and up, low. Yep, just like that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and we are switching side. Right leg comes front. In 3, in 2, we go down, high, low. Focus on deep breathing. This is your time. Make the most of it. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and come back in your downward facing dog. Quick stretch, left to right, and then walk yourself up on the mat. We go for no jumping jacks. In 3, in 2, up. Yep. Side to side. Come on. High. Stepping out. 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 So good. 10. Yep. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Crazy how this like quick little workout makes such a huge difference, right? To your mood, energy, your body. Up and up. All right, guys, now to the side. Yep. Step and punch. Left, right, left, right. Step and punch. Side to side. Breathing out with every punch. Don't worry about what you sound like. Left, right, left, right. So good. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More and up high. Yep. Stepping up. Come on. Punching up high. All your New Year's resolutions. Pushing them up high. Come on. Yep. You are here to push yourself. No one else is going to do it for you. Up high. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More. Stay here. Touch the floor and up. Come on. Down, up high, low. On your tiptoes. Down and up. Down and up. All the way. For 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yep. 4, 3, 2. You guys are killing this. 1 more. Now squat, stepping back sideways, middle and other side. Down, left, middle and switch. Middle and left. 10 here. Down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more. 4, 3. Finish strong. We have 1. Yep. More, and you guys are done. Quick and efficient. That was, time flew by, right? I hope you enjoyed this. As always, let me know how you feel. Please share with anyone who could benefit from doing these workouts, feeling better, help spread some good energy, and well done.